Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 30, UNIHIKER, Gravity, Analog Ambient Light Sensor, Mk03. Gravity, Analog Ambient Light Sensor. This gravity, analog ambient light sensor can assist you in detecting light density and provide an analog voltage signal to the controller as feedback. Additionally, you have the ability to trigger other components within your project by setting voltage thresholds. To facilitate easier usage of the ambient light sensor, this product is designed with a universal gravity interface that can be plugged in without requiring soldering. 2 screw holes allow you to fasten it to any desired location, making messy DuPont wires and complex connections a thing of the past and enabling you to focus your energy on your creative designs.
Now the battery here for here and the cable here and the UNIHIKER here and here the screen here and the sensor here and this here Ambient here and now another one here for this, so back and forth the sensor here, so good. Now the box here, ambient light sensor here, the pins here, here, and this here, this light here and here, so perfect. This Python here, the information here, library here, library time here, ping pong boards here, the ping pong here, light beginning here, pins for analog here, good, the image here, light here, value analog here, this good, ambient light this and read, and the analog here sleep 1 second, and that's it. Now the controller here, sensor switch here and sensor lights here, and now another one, but this for here, sensor here, so is good. And now see the battery here and switch here, so perfect. So now now good. Now UNIHIKER here, so this switch here and run the program here. Roots here, this here, and put on here and see. Is good here and light here. So this the light up and the here and this same thing here, the sensor here and good, and this or here, this here and on. So this good for sensor lights, and here like and back. So perfect. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram.